Hi everyone, welcome to Coco Senior, and today I will teach how to recover or reveal email account passwords saved in Microsoft Outlook. Coco Senior Outlook Email Password Tuner is a reliable Outlook email password recovery tool that can recover lost or forgotten used email accounts and passwords from Microsoft Outlook. Now download and install the software on your computer. After that, open the software, and it will detect all used email accounts and passwords stored in Microsoft Outlook. You can click the Recover button to make sure there are no missing email users and passwords. Then click the Save button to store it in a text file. Of course, the free version can only see the first 3 characters of the password. You can get the full version to see all. That's all. Thanks for watching.